The promise I love you, those they are words don't mean a thing. I thought we were meant to be, but I guess it was just a fling. There's a wall around my heart stopping me from caring, but there something inside of my that feels like it's dying. You were everything I needed, cared for. I choose you, but now my heart is sore. You will never realize that you were my best friend too, but believe me when I say this, I really did love you. I will not will not remember your kiss. I will not remember the love. I will forget your embrace. I will forget your innocent face when the feelings are not pure, when there is no allure. I can't be in that relation where there is love lost. I will forget you for sure. I will not lie to you, will not lie, but I am not alright. My world is dull and there is no light. Love made my world so bright. Since you have left, there is nothing right. I am not the same person I was. I do not want to focus on feeling anymore. You do not know I am broken to the core. I love you so much. I gave you my all. I loved you from my heart, and indeed you were my part. Nothing is the same as it used to be. Nothing is just left to see. I am vulnerable to this pain with some silent tears in wine. Things do change. Things do change with time. You also did that way to face. You had you no one which you did not show. Why you loved me. If you had no feelings, why did I trust you at all? Now I want to be able to love again, nor stand tall to express my feelings within, will not able to sing the songs of my heart when you lose, when you lose someone who is in your heart, you feel trouble inside. It's a feeling of following with the tide. I love you from my heart, and I loved you from my soul. You had an important role, but you took the other way and went away from my life. Bring a few silent tears in time.